How to fix Hulu login issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Hulu login issue. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you'll need to do is make sure that you have good internet connection. So check for your Wi-Fi connection, make sure that you have good connection, you're connected to the internet and the connection is strong and stable. If not, you can simply choose another network here or use your mobile data for this one as well. So after you do that, try to log into your account again and check if the problem persists. If the problem is still there, what you might want to do is clear out your browser's cache. For that, tap on the three dots on the top right, scroll down, go to settings. On your settings, you can then head over to your privacy and security. There you'll find site control, or you can simply delete your browsing data completely from here. Tap on that. Make sure that you select cookies and cached images and files only, and then tap on delete. After you delete that, you can then go to site control. You can make sure that all the permissions are correct, your third-party cookies are blocked and everything. And yeah, after you do that, restart your browser and come back here and try to log in again. After that, the problem should be fixed. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.